Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect Claude Code with Google Sheets. So this one is really simple. What you need to do is inside your Claude Code, this is going to be your chat section. Head over to the left side of your screen, click on artifacts, and here you can basically add new artifacts. If you head over to customize and head over to connectors, you will be able to see we have not connected section. And from here you need to select GitHub integration and click on connect, and basically this is going to be asking for your account on which your GitHub is created. You need to simply sign into your GitHub from this section, and then you will be able to simply log into your GitHub on Claude. So basically this is how simple it is to connect GitHub with Claude. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos.